Good morning, here Shimon Blumenthal, the fitness rabbi. I think all the time what another accessories I can use for my daily workout. Hat. Hat is good for the core. So, you keep the arm straight and then rotate. When you rotate, you work on your core. At the same time, you work on your arms. Also, pressing. You press, you work on your chest, also you work on the core. And also what the extra exercise I love to do, hold the head and look up and squat. Work on your arms, work on your core, work on your legs. For more amazing exercise with different accessories, let me know. Have an amazing day. Here's Shimon Blumenthal, the fitness rabbi. Fitness for your mind, body and spirit. fitnessrabbi.com. And don't forget to smile.